In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use loop cut and slide in Blender. We're focusing on a simple, reliable way to add detail and control the shape of your model using loop cuts. Start by going into edit mode so you're working directly on the mesh rather than the object as a whole. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see the vertices, edges, and faces. Next, press Ctrl+R. As you move your mouse over the mesh, a yellow preview line will appear. This is Blender showing you where a loop cut can be inserted based on the surrounding edge flow. Hover over different areas of the model to see how the direction of that preview changes. On clean quad-based geometry, the loop will usually travel all the way around. If your mesh is more complex, the preview might stop at certain points, which is a helpful hint about your topology. Before you confirm anything, use the mouse wheel to increase or decrease the number of cuts. Each scroll tick adds or removes evenly spaced cuts in the preview. This is great when you need multiple supporting edges at once. Keep in mind that more cuts mean more geometry, which gives you finer control, but also increases complexity, so adjust thoughtfully. When the preview looks right, left-click to confirm the cut position. At this stage, Blender switches to sliding mode automatically, letting you place the loop precisely along the surface. Move your mouse to slide the loop into the exact spot that supports your shape, sharpens an edge, or prepares an area for deformation. Think of this as fine-tuning the structure of your model. When you're happy with the position, left-click again to place it. If you want the loop centered perfectly between existing edges, right-click instead. This cancels the sliding and snaps the new loop to the midpoint, which is ideal for symmetrical or evenly spaced detail without any guesswork. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see the yellow preview, make sure your cursor is actually over the mesh and that you're in edit mode. Move your mouse slightly to let Blender find a valid loop path. Also, remember that nothing is final until you confirm with that second click. So take a moment to preview, scroll to adjust the number of cuts, and then place with confidence. That's the entire process. Go into edit mode, press Ctrl+R, preview and adjust, left click to confirm, slide to position, and either left click to place or right click to center automatically. With a bit of practice, loop cuts become one of your most precise modeling tools.